I'll be showing you the top share your cart apps for your Shopify store. These are going to make it easy for your customers to share their cart with other people to hopefully help increase purchases. For each of these apps, I'll be showing you their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. The first app we're taking a look at is called CBB, Keep and Share Your Cart. This lets your customers help you build your brand and increase visibility by sharing their cart contents. It's dynamic and useful to empower customers. We can see it right here on the cart page, helping them share to a multitude of different platforms. It's easy, fast, and intuitive, and compatible with the most popular themes and devices. It also has a simple configuration, letting your store become automatically social. In terms of pricing, it's going to be free for development stores or for merchants still in their trial. But other than that, it's $4.99 a month where you get unlimited clicks and shared links without expiration. And in terms of reviews, sitting at a perfect 5-star with 7 5-star reviews. According to one of the latest reviews here, this merchant said the application is great, but the most amazing thing is the super support. Next up, we have Bevy Share Your Cart that lets you transform visitors into your sales fleet. So you can add the share cart functionality with just one click. As an easy to use interface with unlimited customization options. So we can see here you can customize things like the background, text color, button color, as well as the typography. It also has pre-built themes, making it easy to set up, and you can reward customers for sharing their carts by giving them discounts as well. In terms of pricing, there is a free plan where you get basic analytics, automatic and manual installation options, as well as social sharing functionality. In terms of Pro, it's $20 a month. You can reward customers with coupons, as well as have advanced conditions to generate those coupons. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.4 stars with 11 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the latest 5-star review here, this merchant said it's simple and smart app, allowing customers to send their colleagues a link to pay for a cart or to share with their team as to what they're looking to purchase. Next up, we have a Shopify app called Ask to Buy, Create and Share Cart. This lets your visitors and sales rep create and share carts with friends, parents, and customers. So you can see it makes it easy to create a shareable link or to send an email. And it's going to pre-fill it with the checkout details as well if you're asking a friend to buy. And you can track cart shares, conversions, as well as generated revenue. And invitees who get the link land in the checkout page with a custom welcome experience. In terms of pricing, it's a flat rate $15 a month with a 30-day free trial. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.6 stars with 22 5-star reviews. And one of the latest 5-star reviews from a merchant who has spent 7 months using the app says they're sticking to 5 stars since they have never had an issue with the app. And they love the concept, and it's really easy to navigate and easy to understand. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, along with a ton of different analytics and metrics. That's going to let you make smarter business decisions, as you can have a true understanding of your store's performance. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad platforms such as Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. It also has plenty of cost of goods sold integrations such as AliExpress, Printify, Printful, ShipHero, and CJ Dropshipping. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and I'll leave a link in the description below. You can also find it on the Shopify App Store. Just look for this logo in the top left here. Meroxio Share Your Cart. This app makes it really easy to create an instant floating share button for quick cart sharing from any page. It's going to have a seamless pop-up that makes it easy for customers to copy the shareable link. And there are also success notifications to ensure those items have been successfully added to the cart. It also has a customizable design to match your store's branding seamlessly. And overall, it just makes for effortless cart sharing. Currently, this app is also completely free as well, and it doesn't have any reviews yet, as it was just launched in January of 2025. So this concludes the video here on the top Share Your Cart apps. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.